Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today's subject was from a subscriber who wanted to be able to filter the years and still keep the year-over-year lookup going on. For example, if here's the sales and here's the lookup value, if he got rid of 2013, he wanted it still to be referencing 2013 and not 2012. I'll show you this formula real quick. This is the using the lookup function. You're probably all familiar with this. You're just taking lookup sales minus 1. It's picking up the value from the previous row, which works great unless you want to filter on that row. Add that back in. Here's what I came up with. It's not the most elegant solution, but it works. This uses a level of detail expression. Basically, it's a multiple if-then statement. If the order year you're looking at is 2014, then you use the curly brackets. So this is basically a fixed expression. It says look at all the data, and if any of the data has a order year of 2013, then the sales value will be in there, and that's put inside the sum parentheses. Same thing here with 20. If it's 2013, it's looking at all the data. That's what the curly brackets say. And you're going to sum up the sales if the order date has a year of 2012. If it doesn't have 2012, it's going to be null. And this is a level of detail expression, so it's going to be at the row level. So what that means is when you bring this level of detail over to the measures, you get a huge value because it is summing up the value for each row where that expression exists. So what you really want to do is you want to change this to minimum or maximum because you just want one value. Or you could do average as well. You're trying to get away from counting up every single row. And you'll see here now that the value is what you expected. If it's 2012, you've got the right value. 2013, 2014. You come over here, you get rid of 2013, and the 2014 value stays the same. Well, great, you say, but what if I want to add in, let's just pull in market. Things are all kind of screwy, right? So now what you do is under the level expression is you come, we're going to add fixed, and we're going to now add market. Okay. You can see that put market. There we go. Fixed. And then I always put the colon here because otherwise if you select, where is that? You select market and you see tab or whatever, you auto select it, it gets rid of the sum. So it's a bit of a hassle. Oops. I'm actually on the road, so it's a little bit tricky. Market, okay. Weird. Let me get rid of this one, year over year lookup. And now we've got the right value, 761, 761. Africa had 229, 229. Now, what you're going to say is, great, but what if I have I want to put a segment in here under the filter. So now to make this one work, we're going to show filter. And if we want to just show corporate, remember, because we put it in the fixed function, it's going to go over all the data. And so these numbers are not matching up anymore. Way to get around that, come up here under the filters under segment, and you're going to say add to context. That's going to change this to gray, and the context is actually applied before the fixed expression. And now the 151 equals the 151. So there you go. You can get rid of various rows, and you'll still have the values being referenced. The 2014 data will still reference 2013, even if you filter out other rows. Only problem is that you have to come in as new rows are added, and you have to add them in here. Enjoy. As always, please subscribe and leave comments. Thanks.